Hey there, how you doing? This is Joe Barnes with another quick tip, and I wanted to introduce you to meetme.so. Meetme.so. This is absolutely fantastic, and I have to thank Marissa Murgatroyd for introducing this to me because I wanted to book an appointment with her, and she sent me her meetme.so page, and I immediately set one up myself. So this is what it is. It's essentially a schedule, and you can send it out. It's online, and you can send it out for people to book appointments with you. Here's the really cool thing though, is you set your availability, and when they open it, it shows in their time zone. So for instance, here's my availability, and it's in my time zone, which is Thailand Bangkok time zone. So let's say I wanted to book an appointment with myself on the 16th of October. I would click on that and it would say this is Joe Barnes's availability for the 16th of October. Just pick one and then click next, and I can book an appointment with me on at 6:30 a.m. on the 16th of October. But you might be in the UK, or you might be in the US, or wherever you are in the world. You wouldn't see 6:30 a.m. You'd see it in your time zone. Absolutely super cool tool. And the beautiful thing is it's free. This is completely free. And when somebody schedules an appointment with me, it gets sent straight to my Gmail, and it all hooks up with my Google Calendar. So it immediately schedules it on my Google Calendar. And if I go into my Google Calendar and schedule anything else, and then it immediately comes out of these available times. It just doesn't show here, and somebody can't book that time. So if you just go to scheduleonce.com, or wherever you are in the world, it might be scheduleonce.com, scheduleonce.com or scheduleonce.com. Click on the try it for free. It's super easy to set up a free account, and you just go in and you set up your availabilities, and you can set up this great message here on the left hand side, add a little picture, and away you go. All you then do is you send people this URL, and they can book appointments with you, and it will go straight into your Google Calendar. So there you have. It's scheduleonce.com or scheduleonce.com it's called. I hope you've enjoyed that little tip, and I'll speak to you again soon.